Welcome guys, today I'm with the OPPO A94 5G and I will show you a few camera tricks. So first, when you open the camera, we are in the Pro mode, in the photo mode, and I'm gonna show you a few tricks right here. So the first one will be definitely the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can go for the ultra-wide lens, 1x, 2x and 5x, but when you click and hold on already selected preset, you will be able to get more zoom options, and the maximum zoom on this phone it's 10x. So we can go, for example, between 5 and the 2, so we can set 4x or for example 6x, and also we can make it by pinching screen with your 2 fingers, but right now we don't have this slider, so we can decide how to use the zoom feature. And another tip will be about the brightness adjustment on your photos, videos or any other mode. You have to tap on the screen and then you are able to move this icon to decrease or increase the brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen once. Another tip will be linked with the volume buttons that you can find right here. So you can click volume up or volume down, and as you can see, they work the same like this shutter. You can also take series of the photo by holding the shutter button. It works also with the volume buttons. As you can see, very simple. We are also able to change color on our photos by tapping and selecting one of the filter. As you can see on the preview, that's how we can change and how it looks. So we can go, for example, for the black and white, take photo, but to get the original we have to pick this one. Right now I would like to show you this extra HD mode. Let's make small comparison. So I'm gonna take photo with this one, and right now with normal mode, and with this extra HD it's supposed to be like more details. So that's how it looks with the normal mode. Not bad actually, but it's not also impressive. And that's the extra HD mode, and let's take a look. Okay, actually this keyboard right here is wash out, definitely. So we can try to make another try and focus on this keyboard. I guess it looks like that because it was out of the focus. So check it out. As you can see right now, it looks definitely better. So we can find right here more details. We can also zoom in closer. That's the useful mode if you want to reach more details on your photos. And I think that right now we can simply open also this main settings, because right here we'll also find few features, like for example that's the shading methods, and right here we can touch to take photo. So take a look. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be also taken. When you click and hold, you will only lock the focus. When you go back for the settings, we can go for the advanced settings, when we can, for example, find the option quick launch gesture. And right now, when the screen is off, it will launch the camera. Take a look. Okay, it's not working or something like that, or I just misread. Wait a minute, one more time. Okay, I just turned it on, but right now it's not available. That's strange. Okay, so double press either volume button to launch the camera when the screen is off. So let's make it one more time. Okay, as you can see right now it's working, so maybe I just didn't turn it on. But yeah, that's all for this device, for the OPPO A94 5G. All camera tricks that I can recommend you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.